Hello, how are you today? I hope you're having a good time. It is, I don't know, sometime in the evening. I don't actually have a clock in my craft room, so I have a really good excuse for going overboard and anyway. Yeah, so I gotta tell you, these Dutch pours are really frustrating me. So I'm going to try again. I have made my paint so thin. Like it runs off in a stream. It disappears right into my... I don't know if I can make my paint any thinner, honestly. So I'm not sure what exactly I'm doing wrong, but... I'm determined, if nothing else. So I've mixed up some of my deco art paints. I've got some of the hunter green, and they're all the same liquidy consistency. So hopefully I've not gone too liquidy. And then, yeah, like there's my blue. And I've got a little bit of this violet yet, and it's like, look at it, just runs off there like nothing, right? No globs, no nothing. I've got my white flooding paint, same consistency, same thing. It just runs off there and disappears right into... So, I'm going to flood my page and get it all ready, and then I'll be back, and we'll see if I can't get this right. So then, the other thing that I thought it might be is, I thought it might be because I'm not using enough of my white paint as a base to give it. So I am not being stingy on the paint today either. I've got a good heavy base coat down here. It's dripping off the edges already. So I'm going to start making some puddles, and I guess I'm going to do one. I guess I'll do it in this corner, and I'm going to try and blow it out 3 ways. So here we go. It's running off here already. It's so runny. I have this leveled, but oh my gosh, it's still running. Okay, I'm going to flood this. And I'm going to pull out my dryer. And try to do something. Oh no, I took off my attachment. Okay, here we go. Let's try and blow this white over it first. well, I just don't know. I really don't. I'm kind of at a loss as to why I can't get this to blow out. Like, seriously, I don't know that I could get my paint much thinner. But, like, seriously, look at that. That's just dripping off of there, right? Am I still not runny enough? Like, I don't know. Maybe if somebody sees this, they can tell me what I'm doing wrong. But I have, like, seriously, that's like water down there, right? And it's not doing nothing. It's just not moving, and I don't know. Like, I've tried different angles with the blow dryer. I've tried all kinds of different consistencies of paint now. Like, seriously, I don't know what else I can do. I guess I could try making my paint even thinner and seeing if that does something. So I'm going to set this aside to dry a little bit. Look at this. Like, look at that. That's like soup. That's like runny soup. I don't know. I think I need to go to a different technique for the rest of the night because I'm just getting frustrated with this and that's not good. So I'll be back later. Seriously, watch this. Like, oh my gosh, it's like how thin do you have to make your paint? Like, that's like super, super thin. I don't know that am I making it too thin? And all that paint, like, that's a lot of paint for a little 8x10 canvas, right? Like, this is a 9x13 pan, and thank goodness I have this pan, right? Because otherwise this stuff would be all over the place in my slightly off-kilter home. As it is, I'll have to set this aside and, I don't know, try something else. Crazy. Well, I hope you've enjoyed. I hope there's enough video here to, again, show you what not to do. I don't know. Really, I don't think I can make paint much thinner than that and still have it do anything that I want it to do. Like, it's like a flowing river of... woohoo! Anyway, have a fantastic night. I'll be back sometime with some other kind of pour or dip or something. Nighty night.